Hello, I'm Claire Murray, and I entered the engineering pathway during my years at CSI. During the Capstone project, I explored many types of electrical components and how to wire them to work together to enhance my oscilloscope. Reasons for doing so include simply my interest to study it. I plan on becoming an electrical engineer in the future, and so I thought this project would give me a head start for the field, in which I'm looking forward to. Step 1. The process that was used in creating the project first started with weeks of research and searching for parts. Step 2. Cracking open the TV was one of my struggles due to the lack of safety and lack of specs or knowledge on how to do anything. Step 3. Discharging the TV by using a screwdriver and hooking it up to the frame of the TV. And then the screwdriver is then hooked up to a wire that's placed to the red circle to discharge for safety. Step 4. Find where the deflection coil wires lead to and snip them. Step 5. Check for continuity and attach the two wires that have continuity to a jack. I had two jacks at this point. I had one for the x-axis and one for the y-axis to the TV. Step 6. Locate TV speakers and hook them up to an amplifier. Snip these wires in order to do so. Snip, snip. Step 7. Attempt to build my own oscillators and amplifiers, but they did not work. My dad's amplifier ended up working way better than the operational amplifier I was using, due to the fact that it was able to amplify a device with such low voltage signals. The homemade oscillator did not work out as I had planned and researched weeks on, but I ended up finding a frequency sound generator app that worked way better. Soldering was used with learning how to use a prototype board as well. More testing occurred and more discovery was found. I found that if you put the X and Y axis together and play certain frequencies, you will get more interesting shapes. Lastly, I played with the oscilloscope because it was so cool to see something that I made actually work. There were so many things that went wrong with this project. Everything you can imagine did go wrong. First off, I knew nothing about anything I was doing. I had to do so much research even before I felt comfortable enough to crack open the TV and start working. I blew up one of my proto boards. Finding supplies and an old CRT TV was a hassle. Many local stores didn't carry the testing, building tools, and components that I needed. I had certainly gained a significant amount of knowledge while doing this project, and while trying to design my own oscillator and operational amplifier circuitry, I have never designed my own circuit before to this extent, so I was definitely learning. I studied every component I have used and tried to use or tested. I wanted to understand my sources better, and in a sense I did, so I'm glad I did this project. I found many solutions to my project and I was able to pull it off. This has been a bumpy road considering not having a whole year to work on this and other factors, but it has been a fun, informational ride. Thank you all for watching. Take care. For more information about my project, please check out my engineering binder or at the CSI graduation project display table.